why this mat almost met its match on my stove. The one spec famous dyno left off the listing. What happens when 2mm silicone meets a screaming hot pan? What's up, girl?
Are you filming?
Yeah, what's up?
It was just a question. You know the painting by the slider, like the circle one?
Yeah.
Why is it like, what?
What's happened to it?
No, it's like, it looks like it's been melted before.
Yes.
And then why is it squish?
It melted because that's how it came shipped.
It was melted?
Yeah. And I talked to him. It's a guy, artist down in Florida. And actually it's I can't remember which one I bought first. That one or the one in the little alcove.
The light?
No, yeah, in the light, but there's that rectangular one, the same artist. And one of them came, I think it was the round one, came all messed up with shipping stuff stuck to it, and I showed it to him, and he said he'd do something, give me back money or something. I said, how about just give me another piece of art?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, me, Bridget, and Rex will pick up both if you want to come.